guys, Christopher Yaks here, Aquascape with Mishaps with my boy right there, Cody Gilstrap from River Rock Water Gardens out in Oklahoma, Arkansas. I know it's illegal to say Arkansas in Arkansas, apparently.
Oklahoma.
So, Oklahoma?
Yeah.
Oklahoma. He's from Oklahoma. Where are you from?
I am based out of Bentonville, Arkansas. I'm from Oklahoma.
But what do you guys call it over there?
Oklahoma.
Oklahoma, kind of like how we're Michiana, which is northern Indiana, southern Michigan is,
Oklahoma.
which is
Northeast Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas.
There you go. See, exactly. Mixing the words up. Got a little bit of wordplay going. That's how we do this. That's how we separate ourselves from normal landscapers and stuff like that. But you can tell I've been hanging out with Cody a little bit because I'm starting to pick up his southern accent, you know. But we are out here today. It is a Saturday. That's why you see me wearing no sleeves, no professionalism today, just grinding, getting the work done. But we are starting on the waterfall. We have the trees all cleared out, the brush all cleared out that we need to get cleared out. We got our walkway pavers all cleared out. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But we are starting on this right here. We got our basin in probably about day 2 or day 3 because we thought we were going to get some rain. We got our aqua blocks in there. We got our both vaults in there. I also went ahead and put in Ed Ballew's grid stuff. Yeah, the storm flow cell grid that he likes to use to make this extra strong, because as you can see, we got that rock is about 6 foot wide and about 24 inches tall, and it is going to be going right here where Cody is standing. We got another one we're about to pick up with that E42. Want to give a shout out to Bobcat of Michiana. See, once again, play word, Michiana. We got another one about the same size, gonna go right there. That is what we are working on today, guys. I got my GoPro set up. That's actually filming me do this little segment right here, but that is what we have going on. And let me show you these beautiful rocks we got in. Look at that. Look at that. We went ahead and got some mossy mountain boulder from our local supplier here. And these rocks are just absolutely amazing. I've never worked with them before, so that's actually one of the reasons why I brought Cody into this project, is because I've never worked with stuff like this. He has. This is all he works with. So he's gonna be able to teach me a lot about doing a lot of cool things with this type of rock. But also, we got our paver pathway done. Look at that thing. That thing looks absolutely amazing. We got a dark center with a light border. And this thing's got a nice little curve to it that Cody put in. Now, one thing about Cody in Oklahoma is they dig in a lot of rock. Like, that's all it is nothing but rock. So this is actually a sand. The soil we have here is sand. And he was quite jealous and quite upset at the fact that he got to dig in, that I get to dig in sand all day, whereas he's digging in freaking rock. So, but we also did put some rocks here on the border to kind of hold our bull nose together. And we kind of did a little bit of a step down here, just a little itty bitty one. Really cool, really awesome. Came out of Cody's brain. I came up with the rock idea. He did all the bull nose and did all the custom cutting and stuff like that. He has much more hardscape experience than I did, but you know, I got to learn from him and see how he does his stuff and how I can incorporate that into our stuff. So yeah, out here on a Saturday, just kind of playing around, and we're gonna get this waterfall going. So I will see you guys later. Cody, what do you got to say? All right, there we go. See you guys later. Well, hey guys, what's going on? Christopher Yaks here, Aquascapes of Michiana. Well, hey, we've got the basin. We've got a full tier drop right there done. Now we're coming up to our second drop here. This is where our crossing bridge is gonna go. We're gonna have another drop right here in this area. But when we laid down the new piece of liner, we had to put another piece right here in that drop. We'll put another piece here on that drop. When we cut off the new piece, which is a 15 by 15 off a 15 by 100 roll, we started finding manufacturer defects. So this actually came out of the manufacturer like that. So that is a potential hole right there. We got another one just like it down here. So basically where you see all my white circles, yeah, that's delamination. We got a straight up hole right there. Looks like somebody sliced it right there with something, I don't know. And then that was on a fold, so it went through there as well. So what we are going to do, we're gonna patch these. Real quick, real easy, real simple, but this is why, especially other CACs out there, check your liner before you put it down. It comes damaged from the manufacturer sometimes. People aren't perfect. We're not perfect. They're not perfect. I'm not blaming Firestone and that kind of thing, but it is on you, the professional, to make sure that your liner does not have any holes in it. But if you have holes, we're gonna fix it. So we got our nice patch area here. We got our patch kit, what I like to call it. We got our nice Aquascape patches that we get here. We've also got some double-sided tape here in case we need to seam something together. Acetone, don't really like using acetone because I've been told that it dries out the liner and it will start cracking really bad. But instead I use denatured alcohol. So it's not an acetone, it's just basically, from my understanding, it's just, yeah, it's alcohol, appliance, and marine stove fuel. There you go. So we're just gonna use a little bit of an alcohol. We got a primer here. Shake this up. Had this stuff for a very, very long time. We got our roller, very important. Gotta have one of these, guys. If you do not have one of these rollers, you need to go freaking get one, guys. And of course, we got our cover tape. Cover tape is what we're gonna use right now. So, what we are going to do, take some cut up pieces of underlayment here. We're gonna take our denatured alcohol. Come right here, where we've got this hole. Jeez, not strong enough. Anybody got some channel locks? Oh, yeah. All right. We're just gonna take a little bit of that alcohol. We're gonna clean our patch area. Clean it good. Then, from there, all right, so we're gonna take a little bit. Now this stuff is really sticky, so we don't need a whole bunch.
Hey, you don't want to get it on your hands.
You don't want to get it on your hands. So get that on there. We're gonna take one of our patches. We're gonna wait for it to get a little bit sticky. You need a little bit more on there. Put that primer on there just like that. Take our patch, peel it off just like a sticker, just like that. Nice and sticky. And then take our roller that we got. Just roll that on it, just like that. Just like that. Boom! And we're done. Hope this helped you guys out. Remember, CACs out there, if you buy a new roll, make sure you inspect every inch of it. Because if this thing leaks, it ain't Firestone's fault. It's your fault according to the client. And that's who we need to make happy. So, hope you guys learned something today. And we're going to continue going. And I'll catch you guys later. So, see you guys later. Happy ponding.